Hello, good morning, YouTube. And this is Michelle from DUTrading. We are going to have some fun looking at to take some trades. And hey, just to begin, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. We're gonna look to see if we can have a really good day today again, right? So we've been having some fun, and yeah, I hope you stick around and catch some trade with us. Yeah. So let me look for where do I have this thing here? Okay. All right. We're gonna try to mess around as usual. We will be taking some trade on both the other side here. Usually I have an account going on at the same time, right? So I will be trading on the other side on top step. So the account that we were messing with last time, right? We it's already passed. Now it's Express account thingy. So we're going to try to see if we can catch some trade here. So just like last time, we'll be messing with micros, right? And then yeah, see because we passed this account trading micros only. So let's see how far can we get. There's one thing here. I thought I had. Anyway, I thought I had that thing, but somehow it's not there. All right, that is fine. We'll do without it. All right. Okay, give me 1 second. Gonna go to. Okay, I think I have everything here set. Just put this on live. Everything else is should be okay. All right. Okay, let's get to it. Market will be open in 7 minutes, so just prepping stuff here, prepping the things. Somehow, this thing is just. Why does it feel like it's stuck? Okay, it was just saving. All right, let's go to here and do a refresh. Okay, this is a new one. This is a new one. Okay, all right. Now let's get ready to run. Let me copy this link and add it over there. These guys. Give me a second. Okay, all right. Let's get uh, first. Make sure this one is on more. Maybe I should leave it on that. Sometime it'll be bugging out on the Wi-Fi. Let's see if it plays better here. Okay, it's actually playing better here. All right, I'm gonna leave it on that. I'm not really. Okay, all right, okay, all right. Let's get to it again. Welcome and thanks for being here. Uh, Good morning, good morning. Let me see. Market open in 5 minutes, so let's quickly run down in the chat. You'll see some people spending hours just looking at the chart, but if you are a day trader, there's no need for that. Uh, Because reason is there's no need for that. You're a day trader. What do you need to spend hours on a chart just to look at it? All right. What we're looking at here, this is the hourly chart. We'll start with that. All right, let's quickly swim over to the daily chart just to see something here. On the daily chart, we can see where we are. We heading toward the 30,000. You can see that 30,000 65 is right up there. So, and we are heading there. Now, that's what we need to see. And we know that there's some resistance there around the 30,000, 65, 30,000, maybe up to 30,100 before they attempt to push more, right? So let's go back to the 60-minute really quick. It's not like we really needed to, because what we're looking at on the daily was just to see where is the resistance. We can see the resistance is right here. And on the hourly, clearly the resistance is also in the same location we mentioned, around the 30,065, 30,070 area. We extended, big extension based on fake news because really the news the market used to run off, it was no news. So it's just the market was looking for an excuse to move back up. So we get the excuse. All right. Now, what would be nice today, right? If price come down here to the 800 29,780 800 area, yeah, we might get another bounce, right? Maybe, right? Because we come here once and twice already. Now, if they do break below, the best place to catch a really good one, if they were to just collapse and come down here to the 29 350 to around 29 350 29 400, that would be the best one. But I don't think that's gonna happen unless some major news come. But if it does, hey, we can catch a good trade there because there will be solid support in this location here. But for short-term support, we're looking around here, right? Around the 750, 800 area. Okay, let's say 782 to around 750. Let me see. Yeah, 782 to around 750 would be, someplace that we'll be looking for. And then if price were able to break above to continue the move, you see where it's going 30,000, 65, 75 ish. Yeah, so that would be what we're looking for here. But if we convincingly break above the 30,075, yeah, we can easily, uh, you know, get to that 30,100, obviously, right? So, yeah, if they reach 30,065 and they're not coming back down right away, then they're gonna test that 30,100. But for now, I would prefer to see a pullback before they push up to that 30,000 and change. But it looks like market about to open, but they start pushing already, as you can see on the 5 minute here. They just break above this little range area here. They right at the prior day high and break above it slightly. London high is up there, pretty much very close to the 30K. But let's hope they don't go all the way to 30K right away, to give us an opportunity to enter, because I don't like to enter as soon as the market open. I usually wait for the first 5 minutes to see what the market is doing, right? Before entering. So if they don't get all the way to the 30,000 now, if they come back to the 29,950, yeah, that would be wonderful if they do that. Market just opened now, and they just testing. It looks like they're gonna touch 30,000. Okay, all right, I'm gonna try to catch a micro trade on the other side toward 30,000 if possible. Okay, they got very close, very close. They didn't touch it yet.
Order filled.
Might be a mistake getting in because they pump up and then quickly retrace back. The move might happen on the next 5 minute candle. So since I'm already in, I'm in. Yeah,
Order filled.
I don't think it's a bad location, so I'm gonna stay in that trade and put let me sell three right here at 90, and then leave the other. Let me see, I have six contracts, so
Order filled.
I just put the rest as the other three. I'm gonna hold it there. It worked out while I was trying to do. By the way, I just didn't take the trade here because I'm actually I could have taken it. I'm on micros here too. Okay, let's see. Because I thought I was on minis. Give me a second. Let's see if it gets give us an opportunity. Okay, it's gonna give us an opportunity to catch one here on this side before it gets to the 30K. All right. I'll put since this is micros, I'll put my stop below 70 here, and I'm expecting price to attempt to make it up there to the 30K, right? But that there's no guarantee that's gonna happen, right? So I'm trying to see if I could. Okay, here we go. I'm putting some.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quickly retrace. So
Order filled.
okay. Well, we did make a little something since we're trading Michaels on the other side, but it's not really. They didn't touch the 30K yet, right? They're still messing around. So how did we do on that side? We take a stop hit. Our stop got hit, so we're gonna try to get in again. But we should wait. Let me see. I should wait until the next 5 minutes shows up because it's gonna create a three bar play here on the next 5 minutes. If this candle stays with, we'd like to see it stays with. It's gonna go and touch it anyway. We'd like for it to stay red and not touching that 30,000. But this candle didn't care. It just keep moving. Couldn't wait anymore. Okay. All right. We just chill. We're not gonna force anything here. Yeah. So they touch 30K, and remember they can go as much as 3065, 3075, possibly 30,100. But since they just touched the 30K now, I am not gonna jump in. I'm gonna wait. Potentially on the next 5 minute candle, if this candle were to come back on the next 5 minute candle, we can catch another move. Yeah. So there's no rush. See, it works out, right? But they had to come for our stop on this one. So we just chill and wait for the next trade. If you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate you. All right. Uh, what do I say? Okay. In this, we're gonna change this. We're gonna put a little music, just making noise in the background, right? While we're waiting for this. Now, since they're breaking above there, right? As I mentioned, the target is up there to the 30,000. Okay, they're still holding around 30,000. They're not really breaking anywhere. So, okay, we're just gonna chill and wait. There's no rush at this point because We reached 30K, so we just gotta wait for price action to give us an opportunity now. And so that's what we're going to do. All right, so since this 5 minute did not do the job, so now we're gonna have to wait. Let me go to, I'm gonna trade minis on this side, on this one. So the 5 minute opening range is coming up. So let me switch to blue, this side here, blue. Okay. We're about to have the 5 minute opening range break out. It doesn't happen yet, right? It's just messing around for now, right? So we're gonna wait. It looks like we might have a chance for a move on the next 5 minutes. See, this is why I didn't want to enter once they hit 30,000. So this is the reason why. Because once they hit it, now it becomes a problem. You see, completely retrace. That is practically 100 point move down. Yeah. So potentially we might be able to catch a trade around the 880 if they were to come down here around the 880, but 800 might be the better one if they're gonna play sideways here on the hourly. So let me make the hourly candles appear bigger so we can see. Okay, so what happened? We push up, reach up there, poke above, and then we retracing. If they break below the opening price around the 890s, we can come all the way down here to the 800. So exactly at the 800. So we're just gonna see. Right now they're below the prior day high, right? They're below the prior day high. They're below London high, and we need to see how this candle is gonna close. This 5 minute candle. What time is it? Let's see the 15 minute. What it look like. This is the 15 minute. Today might be one of this. Okay, this is the 15 minute candle here. There's 7 minutes left. So the next 15 minute candle, if this candle stays the same, next 15 minute candle might be a good one. So we'll see. Go back to 5. You see, okay, they're doing a good thing here. They're retracing that entire candle. So we need it to close above this area. As long as it closes above prior day high, this candle, that red candle, if it closes above here, above 950, 957, on the next 5 minute candle, we might get an opportunity to catch another test of the 30,000. So, and that's when we're going to catch another trade. All right. In the meantime, oh man, we got somebody here, but today people have no patience. Market just opened. This person was here and it disappeared. All right, no big deal. Okay, we're just gonna wait for next. In 40 seconds, we'll see what happened, and we'll also want to see where this candle goes. The breakout we're gonna look for is above 75. We would like for it to close below it, so that way we can catch the next 5 minute candle when it's breaking out above the. Well, it doesn't. It just goes straight to 30,000. This is just stupid. Yeah, this is stupid. What just happened, right? It did not give us the opportunity to enter again. So, because it already went and popped up there. Let me see how far it get to 30, right? So since the trading above 30, we'll see if we can catch a trade toward oh shit, I have so many contracts. Shit. That's why I didn't take the trade, because I'm looking and see that I have okay, they're gonna go to 50 here. They didn't reach it yet. But because there's some volatility happening right now. I don't know. Some news. Probably not there. Yeah, the volatility is not good here. It's gonna hit our stop. Yeah, so just chill. Alright, just wait. We have not have a close above the 5 minute opening range, so we need to see that. Above, we need a candle close above 30,000, 30,013, but let's say 30,015. We need to see a candle close above there if this gonna be some place where we can take advantage of. However, on the 5 minute here, yeah, that's the same area. Okay, that's the breakout area. All right. Yeah, that's why it looks like today they're gonna chop people quite a few times because they're right at our resistance area, so they're gonna chop people going into that little range here. So, all right. It looks like we have one close above there now, so we can attempt to get a move, but not yet. Alright, going in. See if we can get a move. 35. They probably look up power stack again. Yeah. The volatility is just annoying because I don't use big stop, so you see it's going to where my target was, but okay, I know they're going to 50. They're going to try to test 50, but because of the volatility, I think I'll just take that first contract area and leave this there. Over there, let's see if we can catch something going to 50 if they give us the opportunity like this. It looks like they're trying to give us the opportunity. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm trying to get okay, come on. We got close to 50 already. Get to it. What the heck? Man. Maybe to 50. Okay.
Order filled.
All right. Okay, so it's working out just
Order
fine.
filled.
Okay, quickly hit our runner out. So that was a play of the 5 minute opening range. So we had a close, a body close. When I said close, I'm looking for body of a candle to close outside the range. This candle did, so that's why we entered the trade. But still, we didn't catch too much, but we did catch, enough. So they're coming back. Now the next thing we could look to play is the 15-minute opening range. It's coming in a few seconds. We need to see a candle close above this yellow line that you see, above the 350. But okay, it's already above. It's going above 360 now. Okay, so we need to see a candle close to play the 15-minute opening range before jumping in because it looks like they had. Okay, let's see if this candle how it closed. Okay, it didn't close well. It's still messing around. Perfect. So it's returning back to the 5 minute, maybe a test of this location here, right here, which it just did actually. The 315. Let's see if they give us a better. But we just tested 350, which was the breakout on the 5 minute. But the better place if it comes down here to the London high, which would be around the 30K to around 29,990. But I think this 30, 15 is gonna probably try to hold there. But if it comes to 30K on this candle, we can enter, but also we are looking out for this. Okay, it did not come, but it did come there though, right? But I'm choosing not to take the trade because this candle is not done yet. But if it closes inside that green candle, we need this candle to close red inside the green candle there when it closed in 3 minutes. That will give us a better opportunity to catch a trade on the next 5 minute candle that's gonna come. And you see where price is right now, right? So you can't be rushing to take a whole lot of trade because we're right at the top still. So there's really a good percentage of for us to win the trade. That's why we want to wait for the next candle to show us if we can take the trade, because it will create a 3 bar on the 5 minute that may push up to get to the to make a push to the 100 there, 30,100. But not on this candle. We need to see that this happen on the next 5 minute candle. If you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe. We're just chilling, waiting. Still 2 minutes in this candle, so we're not gonna jump in. Yeah, no jumping in. We're just gonna wait and wait. Oh, stupid candle, man. Come on, come back down and make sure you close red. This is the annoying part with this volatility, volatility in this market. The candles messing around, man. Come on, calm down. I'm not gonna enter on you, so come and close about right here, right around the 30,030 or something. There's still 1 minute left, so I'm not gonna jump in. I know the target is up there, but it's not worth it to enter in this candle. Like I said before, it's best if it closes late. It's 45 seconds. And the 15-minute opening range is still there, So far, no candle close out there. That's the first 15-minute candle, that big gray box. So we're gonna see how it goes. As usual, we will start at 11 o'clock. They are attempting to see if they can close that last candle out out there, but they did not. Okay, they still close inside, but the candle position here is good on the 5 minute, potentially catch a move. But the fact that it's a doji, that's the annoying part. Yeah, that's why. That is why. That is why we don't just jump in and enter. You see what happened, right? Because it's a stupid doji, and it did not close way inside the body. There's a lot of shenanigans going on here. So let's wait. But we could potentially catch something if they come down here to test 30K, 3090, not just 30K. I mean 2990. 2990 I would enter, but it looks like they got very close to it. Wow. Okay. Still waiting. We're in no rush. Okay, it's going there. Just poke it, it seems. Okay. I think I will prepare to enter it. But this candle is just still worth to enter. Alright, it touched the 3990 and it started to show some buyers start to show up. That's still not entering because this candle still haven't shown us anything that worth entering yet. But it did reach to that area, and you can see there was a little bounce on the London high. So let's see. Yeah. Like I said at the beginning, that it looks like because of where we are currently with price, there's going to be a lot of chop. People will get chopped in this location where we are, right? You see, that's what's happening here. And plus, oh, I almost forgot. If you see, this is the 60-minute chart, 7 minutes for the next hourly candle, and that's why prices have no conviction. People that make money at the top there, they're taking in a little something off the top because they don't know what's going to happen on the next hourly candle here, because we're still right there at the top. So, and we reached one of the first target, which was here. The 30,000, 60, 65-ish area, we reached there already. So there's a little momentum on that green candle. On the 1 minute, yeah, I don't want to make the decision based on the 1 minute. The 5 minutes still messing around. So the 1 minute did have a little momentum going toward there, but you see what happened because 5 minute and probably the 15 minute is not cooperating. Yeah. Next 15-minute candle will give us a better opportunity actually. This candle will close here as long as it closes above this location, above 2990, 29,990, above. If it closes there, above there, it stays above the daily, the prior day. So there's an opportunity for the next candle to poke below a little bit and then maybe push back. But the close has to be above there. I'm waiting right now. There's 10 seconds, 8 seconds. So But still, the only worry thing is the hourly candle that's coming in 5 minutes. But we got new 5 minutes here, and we did close above this location here. The next time they break above 30 here, there's potential for it move to 50. But as of now, you can't just jump in. The breakout of 25, let me see here. Yeah, if they convincingly break out above 25, let's see. I'm gonna prep to see if we could catch the next time it shows interest of breaking out of this area here, where you see the little white line. Yeah, that I'm moving. Yeah, I'm holding the order. I don't know why it doesn't show even here on that side. I'm holding it, waiting. Okay, it's continued to push down. We just need this last 5 minutes, this 5 minute candle that is pointing now. We don't want it to close below the 29,990. We want it to stay, even if it goes below, but as long as it doesn't close the body. Whenever I say close, I meant the body of the candle doesn't close below 29,990. Yeah, you see it poke below, it comes right back. Yeah, so it doesn't matter if that happens. If they go above 20, they're gonna test 20 again. But as of now, there's nothing that indicates that we can catch a long one. I actually, the way the price is right now, I think on the next 5 minute candle, on the new hourly candle, we might be able to catch a 3-bar reversal. These two candles gonna stay red, and then the next candle gonna come. When it comes and break above this one, the area where we're trying to catch the trade, it will create a nice 3-bar play to push up there. So that means we have to wait for it. There's not a lot of places. I see this. Guys that are cutting grass for the neighbor, they start already. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna wait. Next hourly candle in 2 minutes. So that means we're not really looking to enter the trade yet because of the next hourly. But a break of this area might be a good entry though. But again, I prefer to wait for the next 5 minute candle and also the hourly candle that's coming to see what it does. Most likely, there's enough room for him to retrace to the 980 when the next hourly come back. Is it 980 or 885? Yeah, 980, 985. Next hourly candle will come back. But hey, look, they're doing that thing now. They break above that 30, they're going straight to that 50. Well, let's catch something if they give us. Why they already reached 50. I was gonna try to catch them, but if they touch 40 again, I would quickly drop my order here. If they touch it, but not enough. They did touch it, but not all the way, so therefore I left it. Alright, it's no big deal. I'm still waiting now at this point, waiting for the next hourly candle. We haven't break the 15-minute opening range. No candle closed outside the 15-minute candle yet. The first 15 minutes, no candle closed outside. Let's see if this one closed outside. That would probably give us a better idea on the next hourly candle. That would be good. Today is not gonna be a day where you're gonna make a whole lot of money. Why? Because we right at the top, at the resistance area, so they may range there for a while and chop people up. That's why I'm not in no rush to win. 5 seconds to the next hourly candle. Okay, it's pointing its way, and that is expected because, like I said, there's little room below here for them to reach that 2980 area. And on the 5 minute, we can see they're forming a little flag, but it's choppy in this area, so it can come down. Potentially even go test the prior day. But yeah, the other area we mentioned, the 29,980. So we're just gonna wait. I gotta go close the door to keep some of the noise from coming in. I have my backyard door open. They're in the neighbor's backyard doing the grass. So they're hanging there, and you see why I'm being patient. Why? Because where price is right now, it's not, you have to be patient to catch something. So they're coming down here to test the prior day high. So they're right at the prior day high, they just touch it. They're continuing, and this area was a breakout location. So we might be able to catch something here. Potential retrace. I could have catch the 60 to 80 here, but this candle is just a massive red candle. There's a little more room to go down here below 945. That's why I'm not in a rush to enter. Alright, they reached at 945, 940. Man, hey, that's why we don't just jump in. But I think there's opportunity here to catch a little interest that this candle is just retracing the entire opening move all at once. It's about to make new low. It looks like they're gonna make new low, so it's just chill. Because they reached so close to here, and we right around the VWAP. We slowly way below VWAP here. Yeah, we can get to that 29,900, potentially 29,885 if this candle doesn't stop. There's still 2 minutes left on it, so yeah. Actually, we could catch a quick little counter trade going to the 900 here. Let me see if I can catch it right now. Because on the next break of 30, sure, I already have an order sitting there. That's why that happened. I'm gonna look to see if we could catch a little move going below to the 900. The next time they break 35, stay there. See if we could. As soon as they break it, they come right back. So, but they're going to go to that area where I'm trying to say that they're going to the 900. They're going to test it. But the problem is, when they do it right now. Now, there's one question. If this candle closes above the prior day high, they're not going to go to that 900 right away. So, damn it. Can you just calm down? Whoa. Okay then. That's what I'm saying. The move is there, the pattern on the because this candle is massive. We did catch that move, but they're gonna come and test that 900. But since this candle is already massive and the timer is about to finish, it's not a good idea to try to catch a short anymore at this point. And they close above the priority high, so they can range between priority high and the London high. Yeah. So let's see if we can catch something now. Going to the upper side. London high is sitting what? Exactly at shit, at 90. You're already there. Alright. 30K. About there. There's a lot of noise in the background. I mentioned that there's this guys that are taking glass for the neighbor. I think we can catch them up to the 20s here. But I don't want to just enter. The reason is this candle will have a lot of volatility. They will hit our stop before making the move. Yeah. They don't see things the same. Let you out the door. Then you have magic. Give me a second. Let me go close the door because this guy is going crazy out there making mistakes. And so the next time they break 80, we might be able to catch our line. See if we could get the 90 right there before it's freaking bullshit. That guy with the noise, man, is fucking me up. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Fuck. I'm not taking any, you see? It's working out just fine. Guy out there. I'm blaming the thing on the guy, man. It wasn't the guy, it was me entering. I just did that again. Go to micros because the volatility is just annoying. So as soon as you enter, come for a stop and then make a move. So. Yeah, just go to micros so I could stay in the trade. Let me change the number until the market calms down. I haven't taken, on the other side, I'm doing okay. This trade that I'm taking is here. The other side is funded account from upstairs. So I'm making sure that I got, the right move. This, see, it's pushing to that 20. The problem is, yep, it's almost there. And okay, our stop got hit. So they right there at that 13, they're struggling, but they're trying to get up here to the 30,050. But what happening is, if this green candle closes where it is, that's not good because it will still open the door for the next 5-minute candle to have them to push back down. What that means, let's see. Is there a 15-minute candle coming soon? Yeah, the 15-minute looks stupid right there. Not good. I'm doing okay on the other side, by the way. Even though I keep getting stuck on this side here. Try to catch them up before they hit. Put my stop below here. That's why I choose my code, man. Because this is unknown. I have to wait because this candle is about to finish. So let's wait. I know know it was gonna be like that. I mentioned it that because of web prices, it's a choppy area because it's right at the top. But even though it's making the move, but it's gonna chop people up. And the candle close as in the middle of there, so it opened the door for bears to try to push back down again. And that next 5 minute candle. Yep, they're doing just that because the stupid bulls did not do the job. No wait to see what happened here. They're still at hanging around the 30K, so okay, so they retrace and then now they're pushing back. So I don't think they're going back as deep as even though I entered it quickly take that my quotes out, but they what the heck? I didn't get a chance to move my stop back. Yeah, it's just one of those. Let's add no add because the 5 minute is still bugging out here. It's not. Yeah, just chill. Like I said, I have not picked those trades on the other side because clearly these trades are not the highest probability trades. They're just garbage. Let's see how this 5 minute candle do before we attempt to take another trade. Oh, yeah, trying again to push up there. But it's not worth it taking a trade on this candle here because it's just chopping people up. You know, unless you have very large stop to put it all the way down there, and if you wanna attempt to catch them all up there, but it's not worth it. Alright. What time we finishing? 11, so gonna hang in there. And it's just I know it was gonna be like that choppy right up there, so I'm getting sharp because my impatient, I would say, to wait for the move because it's just gonna be choppy. But there's still a chance that they're gonna push high, right? But as of now, they're just chopping around here. 1 minute left. 1 minute and 20 seconds left on that 5 minute candle. And there's also gonna be a new 15 minute candle that's gonna come. Let me see. Yeah, it's still there. It doesn't too good, but yeah, on the 15 minute here. Yeah. Because of yesterday, right? Yesterday was big move. It moved so much. So now, especially it's move on garbage news that wasn't even interesting. It was just a lie. Scott Besson went and just lie on the news says, "Oh, the deal is imminent. We're gonna have a deal between today and tomorrow." And there's no such thing. He just lied to push the market, and then the other people in the market, they don't care. They just need an excuse to make a move. So and president says, "Oh, Monday we're gonna have this and that, blah blah blah." I don't think anything gonna happen on Monday. Monday we're gonna wake up and heard that Iran and then in the United States still, shooting at each other. Okay. All right, looks like we're gonna get that move now. I can see on the 5 minute candle formation is changing here to get the move to that test that 15 up there. I'll try to see if I can catch some of it on the other side like this.
Order filled.
See if we get a move to it's like here. I'll try to catch something on this side too. Since I'm on micros, I could. Oh. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't look like I even have any more firepower to mess with it on that side here. Okay, alright. Hold on. We need them to make that move here to test that 40 up there. Actually, I can tell you. Since I want to. That 5 minute candle, it was interesting, but it's becoming a garbage candle now. So, yeah, it didn't close, it didn't push up. Instead, it's turning red. It's looking ugly now. Unless it can manage to break above here. Let me hold on. Hold on. Do something. Change that to second. Okay. Alright. We're gonna try to catch some mini trades. I look at it. If we push up and then start at the same location. That 20. This price action, I don't like it. I don't know if I should add on my trade or just get out because it's stuck where it is. It's stuck right at the London high and it's not pushing up anymore. This new 15 minutes, you would think that it would bring a little momentum. But it's positioned to bring a little momentum to go up here where it is, but there's still a lot of shenanigans going on. So I don't know. Come on with the shenanigans. Let's move up already. If you're gonna move up above the 30K and start pushing. The thing is, they never break above the first 15-minute candle. That's one annoying thing for the day so far. They have not break above there. They refuse to make a move. What the heck? Come on. Thirty something second left in that 5 minute and it goes nowhere. It just need to break above 30,020. Once it break above there convincingly, they will push up. But it's not happening right now. So I don't think it's
Order filled.
Yeah, not good. Yep, they're pushing down more. Okay, today is not a good day. I might even stop early because this is just it's crappy action. Since yesterday they had good moves, so today is just crap. Let's see where they are. Hanging above the prior day high, breaking below it now slightly. And viewer is slightly below exactly where the support is. And I mean, I think they will just hold there and chop. Hold on. But it looks like we're stuck here on garbage price action. So next 5 minute candle might be interesting. Maybe if price stays above here, above the 950, 29,950, next 5 minute might be the one that give us a pushback to go test that 30K and potentially. But this price action definitely looks ugly. Catch a lot of people off guard. But again, I know there's a higher time frame resistance there, so it's not like I don't know, and I don't know if most people following this knowing that there is a high time frame resistance right there. That's what I mentioned at the beginning, right? Looks like we wants to go test below, yeah, go even lower. So we're breaking below the 50 now. Maybe we could get the move to start to go make move.
Order filled.
Alright, trying to see if I catch a move down to go test that 20. The 920. I think we're gonna go test that and potentially go test the 900. Alright,
Order filled.
It looks like we got close enough, and they're still struggling to go down. Okay, yeah, because since they break, they're going to test this location, right? So that's where they are. I don't know if they're gonna go deeper now, because there's another little support on the 5 minute that exists.
Order filled.
29,880 area, right? So we're around 29,870 ish. But if you look here, we were making on the hourly, even though we're going down, this was a low, this is a prior low. So they both were higher lows. So potentially we might make a higher low, like reach close to down here. And then hold there before breaking below here, before breaking below 29,800. Yeah. The next 5 minutes look like it might be interesting, so let's see. Because we have very long wick making a hammer close here. Could we get a 3 bar play reversal, 3 bar reversal? on that next 5-minute candle. Meaning once this one closed, we have a 5-minute candle that break above here, above 970. To push to see if they can break above 90 and go to the 30k. It looks like it's happening right now actually. Let me see if I can catch it on the other side.
Order filled.
Try it. First target 80.
Order filled.
Quickly get to that 80. Alright. I did mention that I was entering, so if somebody was
order filled.
Okay, they went there and got to 90, which is the London high. They touched London high and quickly reversed. So reverse here. So the 3-bar play started to work out nicely. Where I did catch some stuff in it, with no problem, because my first target was 80. And then they get rejected right there at the 90, which is the London high. We might get trapped here in this location, going between London high and where we are, and because prior day high is also right. Another trade once they break back above 75. So I'll try to catch it on this side. Actually, we could take it already above 60. They push back above 60. It looks like I'm not gonna have time to catch it. Oh, okay. Above 60 for a quick move. Okay. Well, they're not pushing up, so that's why we don't press enter, right? We put it where we think if price were to reach there and break above, that trade will be worth it. So they continue to go down. So reject that trade and put the trade. It's gonna be chop here. Because there's support around here. VWAP is there, prior day high is there, and London high is right above. It's gonna be a lot of chop. Now the only thing is we have not break above or below the first 15-minute candle. You can see the yellow line here. We're still there. Now we have the bottom of it. I'm just gonna be patient and wait. I would like to catch, take a payout on that top step before the 20. So there's no rush. I have plenty of time. So we're breaking below the 30s here, so looks like we're coming down here again. We're breaking below 30, but I don't like that. Yeah, the next break up. It's hard to take any trades here because it's chop around here. There's support here, prior day high is up there, so they're just gonna keep messing around. So, and right below, if they were to break below, there's also support around here. So it's gonna be a chop fest in this location, man. So they reached the 20 now. They're going to test at 900. Maybe make new low. Let me see. This was the opening candle right here. Close to making new low actually. You just touched the new low right here. 29,901. They're just breaking it right now. That's new low just now. This move right now, that's new low. New low for the day. So, and they just break the 15-minute opening range. Still, they have not had a candle close outside, but they just break it. Right around this location, there's a little support. So, on the 5-minute, but on the hourly, this candle looks ugly. It just take over the last. The first hour that we have that was green is completely being eaten by this one. So it's probably gonna be a range affair here today. So they're gonna come to the bottom here to 29,800 to around 29,780 ish, and then maybe mess around here. So and there's 30 minutes left in that current hourly candle. Maybe we could catch a little short here. Hold on. Let's see if I could catch a 10 points here. Since I know they're coming downtown, we could catch a move to the 50s here. But I'm gonna catch, since I enter around 70, so I'll take my first target at the 60s. Come on. They prefer to come for my stop, above 80 here. Just push, because you know you want to go and touch 50 down there just to show that you are really making a move. So let's make it. All right. So this was the first target, got hit. So I move my stop closer here. Looks like we might get stop out on there. Okay, on the runner. So they reach 60. They go. Or the next time they break 60. We can have the move straight to 50 here. So I'm gonna wait down here to catch it on the next 1 minute candle. That's gonna, okay, it's already breaking it. Okay, quickly. All right, just come down and hit that 50 then. You already break it, so. All right, come on. It went to what, 56, 53, and then push back up. If I want to stay in the trade, I just have to move that stop, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah. I prefer to re-enter the trade when it breaks below again instead of moving my stop up. All right, on the 5-minute, I can see that there's a little retrace. Okay, I'm going to stay there. I think we're going to continue the move down. I'm staying, my first target is around 60. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? I thought I was on, give me a second. I thought I was on, all this thing I'm talking here, you don't see anything. Because I was trading on the micros still. Okay, I'm no longer on micros, so let's do this. So they're testing that 29,900 again, and it looks like this candle is trying to close. As long as it doesn't close above there, it still open the door to continue to move down to go to this area. $11 o'clock, we'll call it day, right? So we're just gonna wait and see if we get an opportunity here. Let me see. There's also potentially a 3-bar play reversal that may shows up if the 5-minute people come with some momentum, right? But as of now, I think we're gonna come down here though. Because we went close enough, we went there. Yeah, we can come down here to around 800, but in the shorter term, there's potentially a 3-bar reversal that may happen. Go test the daily. buy a day all the way up there to the 950s, 29, 950. Yep, they're doing the 3 bar. Yes, they are attempting to. They tapped the 900, but they couldn't push up higher. So the problem is where we are now. You can get sharp trying to play price going down. Smaller time frame, there was always support there. But on the higher time frame, it looks like there's still, they could come lower, but we do have this one making higher lows. So this candle here, if it doesn't push down, it will be considered a higher low on the hourly. So meaning they can decide to retrace back if they don't break below here. If they don't break below the 800 convincingly, and they close like where it is now, it closed there, that would be the only ugly thing is the previous hour was nice and green, right? But now this candle overtake it. If it goes below that green candle, it might turn out ugly where we come down here. Yeah. Before we retrace back up, create a range at the top here. Yeah. You see, that's why talking, but I'm not rushing, right? So price is not showing that it wants to do anything. Okay, it's coming down. We can actually add the move to 50.
Order filled. Order filled.
Works just fine. Yeah, so catch that move to 50. Can they go deeper? Yes, they can, because there's a wick down there. Since there's still time, so they can go to 800. But I don't know if they can do that right away though. But they could. Let me just put something here to put on my just in case they decide to go. Okay, looks like they're going a bit downtowny. So we will look for another break of this location to catch a trade. I'm gonna
Order
sell
filled.
2 here. If they break 40, if they break 40, they're willing to go deeper. Let me see where that location is there before I do that. There's not too much bond in me. There's potentially this might chop me around because there's support there. The 5 minute. Yeah. But since they went that far, I would think that they can make it down here to the 800. Here's what I'm gonna do. I try to catch the trade higher. If they break below 50 again, you can catch a quick 10 points. Okay, I'll take it even below 60. Let me see. Alright, below 60 is fine. Below 60, we're looking for first target to be around right at the 850 if they enter a single trade. Okay, we catch that. Come on, let's move down here. Okay. Alright, we catch that. They're about to break that 40. Once again, I think I could take a trade on the other side, but I'm not going to. All right, they're continuing to move down, and we can continue to push down here. All right, they get our stop. Let me see. We need them to break that 40. I'm gonna. Oh, shit. They might. I might not have enough time. Because I think the next time they break 40, it's gonna be it.
Order filled.
We can get a move to 20. Let me. I said 20, but I'm gonna go for my week back to 20.
Order filled.
Okay. All right. They break the 40. We know they can quickly run down to 20, right? But let me see if I can enter here. I'm gonna put my stop at least and bring my target down to 20.
Order filled.
Well, I think I can enter on this side though. Let me wait for the entry. They break 30 again. You can see. They're not breaking 30 yet. They're still messing around. They got close to our target for 20. Looks like they're gonna hit our stop. Okay, there you go. Alright, so a break of 50 here. Oh, shit. Let's go for this side. They break 40 again.
Order filled.
Maybe they're willing to go. Go to 30 here.
Order filled.
Okay, quickly. That was a quick 10.
Order filled.
Quickly take my run out. Okay. Now, let's see if we could catch a trade on this side here. Break below 40. Once again, we can take us down to that. Actually, a break of 30. If they break 30 once again, the problem is we have a green candle on the 5-minute now, so we can just jump in until the next 5 minutes. If this candle doesn't break above this, the value of that candle, in the next 5 minutes, we can get the move that will continue to break down. There's going to be new 15-minute candle too. And that's going to make things choppy. Okay, I see. The new 15-minute candle can go back and turn green inside the body of that candle. So, I'm waiting because this 5-minute candle is about to finish. Although a break of the 40 can give us a quick 10 points down to the 30s. But because this is a green candle, I prefer to catch the move if there's going to be a move down on the next 5-minute candle instead of on this one. All right. Quickly make something. Make some spaghetti or something before I go out. Right. You see why we don't want to enter on that candle for a short? Why you see what it's doing? It's just fluctuating, going up and down. So the next 5 minutes, I have a better chance of moving down. Okay, you see it's doing it right now. Let's see, maybe we'll cut something here. We don't want it to mess around with this stuff. It would be best if it come down here, but let's see. We have 50, but let me. We might get hit. Our stop might get hit because the candle still has not made a decision what it wants to do. But it's still, yeah, I know that could have happened. So, but it's doing exactly what we were expecting. It's just that our stop is just not right there. Yeah. I didn't pick that trade on the other side because clearly that candle has not shown a breakout of this area here. And there's a lot of support, a little support here on the 5 minute. So my stop might get hit. Yep. Okay, stop get hit because they're already pushing hard. Okay. We'll play a little counter trend going toward what 80 since they are showing interest above 60 here. Yeah. Okay. That was a quick little counter trend trade to make up for my stop getting hit. Because I know they were attempting to get to at least 80 and potentially all the way up here to the 900, 29,900. There's the resistance right up here. 898. The problem is this choppy market, you'll get chop. Alright, so the stop get hit. The runner stop get hit, right? So if we convincingly, let me see, break above 80, we can make it to the 900. Maybe we could catch up or something because it looks like they are attempting. But however, candle formation is still good for the bears. Unless this candle closes above that red candle. That's 2 minutes left, so it's a lot of time. It might, because since the next hour candle is coming, so yeah, it might close toward that. I'm going in, put my stop below here. Try to catch a move to 90 here. 85. If we can break above 85 convincingly, we'll get to the 90 really quick. And then resistance is at 895-ish. So alright, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can get to that 90 and poke it. Come on. You have 49 seconds to make it happen. 44, 42, 41. Man, they kissed that 90, did not take my order. Okay, here we go. Alright. Move this up. This is 300. But we'll stay below 90 because They touched it 29,900, so I'm staying slightly below 90. So if they come below 90, I'm okay to let that runner go. Yep, they just spoke it, so I'm okay to the runner go. Wait for another opportunity, especially there's a new 5 minute that potentially gonna retrace back down here to the 870 area. Alright, we did finally have a break. I had a break of the 15 minutes here, but the shenanigan was just so the close was here. This candle open, move up. We could have played, yeah, definitely we could have played the 15 minutes if we wanted to, based on what I see here. But it's already gone. Bye bye. Now, new 5 minutes is turning red. Which I expected to happen because of where price closed. The previous candle, because of where it closed, yeah, right at the resistance. So, okie doke. It's almost there. In 9 minutes, a new hourly candle, and I think we're gonna call it after that. It looks like they're trying to push down again on this candle, but I don't trust that candle. It may retrace. Okay, so it looks like they for real on this candle. They for real, trying to make it down there. Okay. Okay. We are really pushing down there now. We're making the new low. We almost put 20, 820, and this candle look promising that we can get down to the London low. Still have 2 minutes left. I'll try to see if I could catch something on it. The problem is new hourly candle coming in 7 minutes. I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to catch them. Are they gonna make the ILO or not? If this candle close where it is, it will still be a high low, even though it's a massive red candle on the hourly chart. Okay, they decided to just push down straight to the 800 to that London. Okay, alright, and they poking this area here, so they're trying to break that higher low. They're poking below it, so but if it's gonna turn into some sort of range, there might be some retrace, but this candle is massive. It takes away the last 4 hours all at once on the hourly here. How about we try to catch around here? Since the candle, it's hourly, there's new hourly candle gonna come, they might retrace and give us some point here. Take first target at 30. There you go. Because I take that because of where price is, even though it's the direction is to the downside right now, right? But the momentum is to the downside. But we reach an area, if they're gonna turn this into a range, it would be in this location where we are. They might poke below a little bit more, right? To the 750s. But this location, if they're gonna turn this upper area into a range, that would be around where the bottom of the range is. And the only problem is this big, massive red candle is, it's kind of intimidating. Yeah. All right. So we touched the 800, and there's some buyers trying to hold right there, but I think we may still continue. But on the 5 minute, because of where this candle is printing now, there's potential opportunity that price this candle is gonna yank back up and hit everybody stop that trying to take the short here. It might yank and go here to the 840. Yeah, you might test the 840 and hit everybody's stop. Well, this resistance actually did work perfectly, right? I mentioned it before the market opened. Right before the market opened, that this location here was gonna be somewhere where the market is going as a target, but it's resistance. So I'm not entering any trade right now because new hourly candle is coming. So in 3 minutes, so more it. Although where price is on the new hourly candle, if we're not collapsing, we may get a nice retrace back. Where it's happening right now, they're trying to create a wick at the bottom of that candle. I can see them make it to 80 here. Let's see. Yeah, if they break above 60, they can make it to 80. But I'll bring my stop slightly below it. So meaning my first target would be where I enter the 55 it seems. If they don't come back, I could take my first target at 70 instead of 65. Although it's tempting to take at 65, but 70 looks good. Yeah, they can definitely get to 70 here. But again, they're coming for our stop, so it doesn't matter. They're gonna make the move, but they're gonna come for the stop. If I move my stop below here, I'll still be in the game. But I prefer to take the loss and then re-enter. The other thing is, this candle is not that interesting though, on the 5 minute. It opened the door for more downturn on the next 5 minute candle. And plus, remember, the hourly candle is changing now in 1 minute. So you should wait to see what happens there. And we'll take a nice trade. Yet again, I'm not taking the trade that I just took. I don't take it on the other side because I'm waiting for the hourly candle to tell me. And then after that, I take one trade and then call it a day. Thirty seconds. Five minutes still opening the door for price to attempt to push back down the way the candle formation is, but hourly allocation here, there's gonna be a little bit of support here. So the next hourly candle is not just gonna collapse. I think. I'm not saying it's gonna go all the way up there, but it can come back and go test the 950 area. But like I said, the 5 minutes still look like as you can see on the hourly candle, they haven't created a wick at the bottom. So that's why the 5 minute plan that it might go down a little bit more is possible. Okay, we are above the 65 now. I think we're gonna make it to 80
Order filled.
going forward. I think we're gonna test that.
Order filled.
Yeah, it works out nicely. Alright, now since we are pushing, the top of that candle right there is at 90. So, and it's also an area that will act as resistance. So we might touch 92. Hopefully we don't take my runner by the time we do that, right? So,
Order filled.
they took my runner out. Okay, that's fine. That's why you don't overstay your welcome, right? If I said I'm gonna catch something really quick, I mentioned 10 points, like from where I enter, I said I'm taking out at this location. You see the reason why, right? Price just spoke around there and then get out. So that was quick 10 points momentum. But remember that the momentum, real momentum, still the downside. This direction you can see clearly. We below the open. The market open around here. 29,900, right? We all the way down to the 850, 800, this and that. So we're below the opening of the day. So price is below the opening of the day. So be careful. That don't mean they're not gonna pump up and go test this area. They can. Alright, maybe catch another trying to break up of 7 once again. Stay with my start below. I'm gonna put my first target at 80. But the 5 minute, I don't know if it's not gonna retrace deeper. But it looks like it's attempting to see if it can go up there. So the problem is hourly. Hourly did not create a wick at the bottom, so it may retrace back. That's why, yeah, it's doing that just now. It's about to create a wick at the bottom. Let me make the candle bigger so you see what I'm talking about. So on this candle here, there was no wick. It's trying to create one, but our stop will get hit while they're creating one. If they're creating one, they might come as deep as testing maybe the 800, or even test the bottom of that candle again, 790. Yeah.
Order filled.
See if we could get a move to 20 on the short side. I'm gonna try to see. Let's see if we can catch it here. I'll move down to 20. I'm gonna move my stop above here. I think we might test it. Let's see. But they need to make it happen if they're gonna make it happen. Make it happen now.
Order filled.
All right. I get on the other side since I entered a bit earlier.
Order filled.
I got out with big profits, but my runner get hit, but they're gonna test that 20, I think. But you see, they're still messing around. They may come back and hit our stop. Candle formation indicating that they want to push down, but it did. Since the candle did not push down, now yeah, open the door for them to mess with people. Maybe come back up here again to test that area before pushing down. But they create a tiny week. I don't think they're done. They're gonna come down deeper to create a longer week on this hourly candle. Well, I think I'll call it. It's 11 o'clock, 11:05. Uh, it's a choppy session. Let's see if we catch one more trade here. Going down. I'm not taking this down. Because I really believe that we are going down to the test the 20. But if they start breaking above, let me see, above here, above 50, then yeah, they can push back up here. As long as they stay below 850, okay, here we go. You see, trade worked out just fine. That was quick tempo. Now, they're gonna go to that 20. It's just they're gonna, you know, play a little game, chop formation. But they're gonna go down here again to the London low. But it's just they're gonna keep chopping people up because they need to create a long wick on this candle to the downside here in order for buyers start joining the fight here to push it, maybe get to the middle of that candle priority high. So we start here on the chart zone. A breakup of 60 open the door for 8
Order filled.
target. They are trading above 60, but there's no momentum pushing toward that 80. But I really believe they're gonna go and test that top of that week. All right, let's see if we can enter here. Stay where we are, just stay with me, and I'm gonna move this back below here. No momentum pushing up. Yeah. Come on. Come on. What they're trying to do, right? They're trying to go test the week of that candle. If they can test it and break above it, then they're gonna go to the 90. But they need to have some buyers show up here and make it happen before the timer finishes. The timer still have 1 minute and 30 seconds. And on the 1 minute chart here, we can see we have a red candle printing. Let's see if we can break above that 65 here. Once we break above the 65 on the 1 minute, we'll push toward that 80. But as of now, it's a lot of shenanigans, so I think I will just maybe get out of that way because just okay. Looks a little momentum is showing up on that last few seconds, 50 seconds here. Let's see if they can make it. Come on. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Order
There we
filled.
go. All right. So we got nice little momentum that happened on the last few seconds. So what I'm gonna do for this one, put some runners, let my runners do the running. If they decide to change the momentum of the market here, to go a bit higher if they decide to do so. But 90 is where I think there will be some resistance here. So we'll see. Come on, push. Don't take my runner. I will just keep pushing.
Order filled.
They take the runner out. God damn it. That's fine. That's okay. By the way, let me show you how am I doing on this little micro. Okay, let's catch a move here before. We're gonna go touch 80, so we'll try to catch the move here. Alright, I was gonna show this on this account. I think I will call it a day. Normally, if the market was okay, I would maybe trade on it more. But I think that's just fine. So that reached my daily target for this 50k Express account. Top step. Oh, hey, don't forget, I have some link down in the description. Link for Lucy Trading, one of the really good work firms. I have a link for Earn to Trade. I have link for the hourly candle is really changing, trying to see if they can get that 50% thing that I was talking about, testing that 950. They are trying to see if they can make it up there. But I won't be around when it happens. Hit the like and subscribe, and also check the links that I have down in the description. I have a link for Lucy, Earn to Trade, the Legend, Phidias, DayTrader, Bulenox, and they all currently have great sale, great discount with my code. You use my codes to get some account from these guys, you always get the best discount they have to offer. So check them out, right? Links down in the description. Thank you. And besides, when you get account with my code, you're supporting the channel, and I do appreciate your support. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. I'm calling it at this point, right? You know what? Let's take one more trade before I go. just for the fun of it. It looks like we had the 80. I think we're gonna test 90 up there. I'm gonna bring my stuff right below that candle. However, the other account I said I'm done. I'm not taking the trade on. But this one, I didn't say I'm done. That one. Okay. If they don't take our stop here, maybe we can stay there to survive this trade. If we have our stop right here. This is why we don't want your stop. They're probably still gonna come to my stop down here. Because but however, I can see that the next 5-minute candle is going to make a move. Again, extension going above. That's why I'm messing with my stop here. But I would have to put my stop all the way down. It does pull out the stop. Yeah. Instead, what I could do is wait. 1 minute 30 seconds left in that 5-minute candle. We're gonna re-enter and catch a trade on it. And after that, we'll call it a day. It's gonna be a new 15-minute candle coming in soon. Okay, they still. That depends on how this candle close. If it close with the body close below that green candle here, I'm not interested. Push back and create a wick. Close above this red line. I'm interested. I'm taking a trade to the 50s. So in other words, we're looking for a break above 50, above 40. Okay. But do I have any order? Because it didn't quite. Alright. Give me 1 second. Anyway, let's just call it. That's it. There's no point. Alright. I'm done. Alright, take care. Appreciate you. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, right? So, done for today. I still haven't closed this thing. Let me wait. Yeah, because we right at the bottom here, and this choppy. I think they're coming right back down here. So, but they might swing up here just to trap some more people, but they're coming. Because the hourly candle did not make such a long wick to really push up. It needs to create more of a longer wick at the bottom. It looks like instead they're creating a longer wick at the top to push down. Maybe test out wick over there. Alright, I'm gonna catch a short here. Really quick before I do. Just for the fans. There we go. Quick 10 points, really quick. And there's a little more juice to go because they're gonna go and test the 900 again and potentially come all the way down here to the 788 again. But the London low is there at the 800, so yeah, they're gonna come down to the 800. Testing the low. Alright. I chose not to take that trade on the other account. I'm satisfied with where it is. So, once this trade closes, I'm calling it. Okay. So, take care. Hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Yeah. Take care. Bye bye. Yeah. I know that was gonna happen. That's why I said that. All right. Take care. Bye bye.